Hi, this video is to explain the various types of solar filters that Kendrick Astro Instruments offers, give you some technical information on the Astro solar safety film that we use in our filters, and also to demonstrate the sun finder on our filters. Not all of them have it, the classic style do not, but our SF version of our filters does, and this will be demonstrated in this video. So we do have two types of solar filters. We have the classic style, which is this. It's just a ring, thumb screws around the outside to secure it to your tube or your camera or binoculars or whatever it is you're using. And it has a collar around the outside, which a lot of people like. They feel it's safer for them. That's fine, no problem at all. We also have what we call our open style solar finder solar filters, which you see on this telescope here. The difference is that this is open around the edges. It still secures with thumb screws against the tube, and it has a solar finder here. And the function of the finder is that it makes it way easier to center the sun in your telescope. This is a fairly narrow field of view, and actually a lot more difficult to center the sun in the telescope than you would imagine. So if you're at a solar eclipse event and it's getting close and you want to make sure that you're actually got the sun in your telescope or your camera field of view, then it's nice to have this because you can quickly make any adjustments that you need to make. We will demonstrate this a little bit later in this video. So the filter that we use, as I stated earlier, is made by Baader company in Germany, and it blocks out 99.999% of the sun's light, actually a bit more than that. So almost all of the light from the sun is blocked, making this extremely safe to use. The material is also regularly tested by the PTB, which is a German institute, a bureau, a national safety bureau for eye safety in Germany. So this stuff is safe and will not harm you in any way for direct solar observing. Regarding using the same filter for astrophotography or photography and visual, yes, you can use the same type of material. There used to be a photographic version of this film, but with the advent of digital cameras over film cameras, we just use the visual film. So here we are. This is what we've got. You'll notice here that the sun isn't quite centered, which means that it's out of the field of view. So I am going to demonstrate how this finder works, and I will just press the buttons here on my mount, which will move that. And you can see there's a white dot moving towards the center black target. And when you're there, about there, the sun should be centered in the field of view of a low power eyepiece or in the field of view of your camera if you have a camera attached at the back. Anywhere within that black ring that you see in the center there will be good enough. It does not have to be dead center. In fact, you probably find it's not dead center. You can mark these filters or targets if you want. If you want to make sure you're dead center every time, just take a marker and mark that. But that is how this works. And now we do have sun finders like this on their own. They're just, you can take them, you can stick them onto what other devices, other filters, so that you can locate the sun. And we also have a version that fits into the hot shoe of a DSLR. So if you're using a DSLR camera and you want to make sure that you've got the sun in your field of view, you want to be safe and confident to do it quickly, the same process. You slip it into the hot shoe mount, you move your mount around until the sun is located in the center of the target, and there you are, you'll have it. And that's all we have to show you for this. Thank you.